Right, I bought this little spy camera. This little video camera that I've bought. It's tiny, as you can see my thumb. It's got a micro SD card that you just put in there, mode switch and the lens, power switch and a little whole thing there. You can put you can hang it around your neck. It's got a clip you can put on here like that, if you can see it. You just clip it on and you've got yourself a little clip, you can clip that too. Another little bit here that swivels like that, so you can screw that onto a mount of some description. Another one there with a little swivel on it. A waterproof housing, little rubber housing that you just slip it in there, that goes in there. And a plug we can put into a shaver thing with a USB, and a USB to micro USB which goes on the back of that. So you can put it onto your computer. On and off switch on the top. I put a bit of Velcro on there, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and stick it inside my helmet and see what that's like. Push these to one side a minute. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is this little camera here with the Velcro, all I do is just plonk that on the front of there, just like that. It will stick like that, if you can see that, and then you can shut it down and drive along in the rain if you want to, and you can speak and everything else, and we'll give it a try. So we won't stick it on a big motorbike, we'll just go out on the scooter and give it a try, because it's very, very, very icy today. Anyway, we'll give it a go.
Whoa! Ice, ice, ice. Loads of it. Tell you what though, this bloody helmet's not very warm under the old chin. This doesn't seem too icy. Don't ride a scooter in the ice. I think only a twat like me comes out in this weather. Never mind. We're off. Got to do your shopping somewhere, haven't you? Just don't go around corners very fast. Right. God, I wish I'd put my bloody scarf on. Bloody freezing, man. Funny looking dog. Oh well, I don't know if we're going to get any wind noise or anything, but it's not too bad. Come on, out of the way, you tossers. Let the speedmobile through. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. I'm turning off, are you, mister? Okie dokie. Well, certainly not a very sunny day, and there's a lot of ice about. I don't like it pressed up against my nose, which is where it is pressed up against my nose at the moment. So not a lot, don't like that too much. But it is a warmer helmet than the other one. So we'll just have to see, won't we? Gonna let me go? Thank you, lady. Very nice of you, thank you. Just don't run me over when you try and catch me up. You won't catch me because I'm super fast. Look at me go! It's too fast, too fast. It's not exactly bloody warm though, I'll tell you that for nothing. I'm going to turn here, I'm going to turn here. Here we go. You stay there, because I'm turning. Thank you, nice lady. Oi, I'm coming through. But it's slippy down here. Looks a bit slippy. Lots of ice, lots of... Woo! Wheel spin! Wheel spin, wheel spin.